Welcome to HelloBooks.ai. Today, we're exploring the Item Master, your centralized hub within Inventory Pro designed to streamline how you add, configure, and manage every product in your business. To begin managing your product catalog, navigate to the sidebar and click on the Inventory tab. This centralized hub allows you to track and manage your stock levels in real time. From the Inventory menu, select Item Master. The Item Master is your primary database for configuring and managing all product and service details within your ecosystem. To add a new offering, click the Add Item button located at the top right of your product list. This opens the guided product creation form. In the Basic Info tab, enter your product name, a unique item code, and choose the appropriate category. You can also upload a high-quality image of the product to ensure easy identification for your team. After that, click the Next button to proceed to the Units and Pricing step. Next, move to Units and Pricing. Here, you define your unit of measure, set your selling price, and record your purchase cost. You must also link your sales and purchase accounts to ensure accurate financial reporting. From here, click Next to proceed to the Inventory Settings tab. Under Inventory Settings, input your opening stock levels. To prevent stockouts, define a reorder level and specify the lead time in days for your suppliers. This automation helps maintain optimal inventory balance. Following that, click the Next button to proceed to the Vendor and Tax Settings step. And the final step, select your preferred vendor and apply the relevant tax rates. Assigning a primary vendor streamlines future purchase requests and procurement workflows. Click Create Item to finalize. Your new product is now active in the Item Master, complete with automated stock tracking and ready for use in sales or manufacturing. Your item is successfully added. You can edit and manage item information by clicking Item Code. Ready to transform your inventory management? From tracking stock movements to automated reordering, HelloBooks.ai gives you the tools to scale with precision. Visit our website to learn more about our features and request a demo today to see how we can power your business.